Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Uh, Fellow woodworkers and inspiring makers, welcome back to the shop workshop. Today we are talking about something I'm super excited, turning your passion for woodworking into real cash. That's why we are looking at woodworking project that sell fast. You love working with wood, creative beautiful things, but what it if choose beautiful things could also bring in some extra income and even becomes your main hustle. The key is to find projects that are popular, don't take forever to make, and appeal to a wide range of buyers. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into some awesome ideas that can get your woodworking business booming. First up, let's talk about small home decor items. Think about it. Everyone want their home to look home decor items. Think about it. Everyone wants their home to look nice. Picture frame, simple, classic, and always in demand. You can make them in different sizes from rustic to modern, and they are relatively quick to produce. Coasters, these are fantastic. They are small, use or up scrap wood, and people always need them. You can engrave them, paint them, and or just let the natural wood grain shine. Think seats of 4 and 6 small shelves, floating shelves, wall mounted displays shelves. These are super popular. They add character and storage. A simple, well made shelf can sell like hotcakes. The great thing about these items is they are often impulse buys and they don't take up a lot of space in your workshop or at a market. Next, let's move to kitchen and diving accessories. People have unique handmade items for their kitchen. Cutting boards are the classic, but don't just make a plain rectangles. Think about different wood types and grains, patterns, or even adding a juice groove. People appreciate a beautiful and functional cutting board. They are make great different gift to serving trays, whether for breakfast in bed or entertaining guests on a nice wooden serving day tray is always a hit. You can add handles for extra appeals, battle openers, wall mounted. These are a fun, quick project. You can mount a simple openers to onto a nice piece of wood, maybe even personalize it. They are unique and practical. These items are often seen as upgrades from mass-produced versions, and buyers appreciate the craftsmanship. Let's also consider organizations and storage solutions. Everyone needs to keep things tidy. Small storage boxes. These can be for anything: jewelry, desk supplies, keepsakes, simple hanged boxes, or even open top containers. Desk organizers with more people working from home are nice. Wooden organizers for pens, paper clips, and phones is a big small sailors. Key holders are simple strip of wood with a few hooks can be incredible useful. You can get creative with a design. Useful you can creative with a design that's project after practical um, solution that people are always looking. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.